How to make a QR code quick tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to be telling you two free ways that you can create QR codes. This is not going to be any advertisement for a paid tool. I'm going to show you guys two free ways to do this, and one is even built in directly into Google Chrome. So no longer do you have to sign up for third parties or anything at all. You can do it completely for free using Google. So for a QR code, every QR code has a destination page. So you're going to open up that page. This is the contact page on my Shopify store, and this is the page that I want my audience to see when they scan my QR code. So just open that page in your Google tab or your Google window. And once you open up that page, whatever page it is, then you're going to click on the top right. So you see these dots over here, you're just going to click on that. Then you will have this drop down menu. In your drop down menu on the bottom, you're going to find this option that is called, you have Cast, Save, and Share. Once you hover your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share, under the Share option, you're going to find this where it says Create QR Code. So just click on this, and this will create a free QR code. So now what you can do is that you can copy this and then paste that anywhere. So for example, I want to paste it in one of my Canva designs. I'm just going to do Command V, and you guys can see my QR code has been pasted. And they have this really cute design where there's a dinosaur in the middle. So you can just add that wherever you want. And this is going to be the QR code for my website, for that particular page. Now, if you're creating a QR code for a page, you can even just click on download, and this will download the image version of that QR code so that you can utilize this in any of your designs, your documentation, your PDFs, whatever you're doing. You can just paste this QR code for it to lead to your contact page. Now, this is really easy, simple, and anyone can do it. It's completely free. However, if you want, you can also do this on Canva. So if you want to create a QR code using Canva, then what you're going to do is that you're just going to head on over into Canva. I'm going to delete all these things, you're bothering me. But you're just going to head on over into Canva, and then you're going to click on apps on the left. Once you click on apps on the left, just search for QR. Once you search for QR over here, you will find this QR code generator. So just click on this. This is the one you want to use, which is called QR code. This is the one by Canva. It's completely free. I do have Canva Pro, but even if you don't have Canva Pro, you can easily use this. Click on open over here. Once you click on open, this will ask you to enter the URL. So remember that contact page that we had? We're just going to copy the link of that contact page, and then we're going to go into our design, paste in the URL. You can customize this, and this is what I like about using Canva, because Canva allows you to customize the QR code. So I want my QR code to be with a dark pink color, a dark pink background, and a white QR code. And then I'm just going to click on generate code, and this is the QR code that has been generated. So this gives you a bit more control over the color scheme. So just like so you can create free QR codes using Canva or Google. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.